If you have sent a payment request message via WhatsApp, and if the customer's payment has failed, and now you want to send them a reply that the payment has failed, for this, click on Create Bot Flow. Select the trigger here as WhatsApp chatbot and payment failed status. Select your particular channel. And now in the next step, click on send message option. Here we have option of order status message. So when we send the payment message, it is order details message. Now we are sending a order status message here. Here in the reference ID, we have some new variables here. We need to select the option of payment.reference underscore ID. So this would also update the status of the order details message. Order status failed, description payment is failed, and you can also mention in the body, hello, your payment has failed. You can also add variables here like amount, currency, gateway, transaction ID, payment ID. Now click on save message and save workflow. Now ensure to enable your flow. Thank you.